Hi, I'm Lokoso Sylvain, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to build your email list. If you own an online business or you are trying to get into online business, one of the way to make sure that you do not go bankrupt or go out of business so quickly is to build your own email list. No matter how much social media marketing or any other platform marketing that you know how to do. An email list is like your own house that you build, and every other platform serves as a rented apartment. With your email list, you have control over what your buyers see and what they don't see. So your best bet is to use every other platform that you know how to market on to build your own email list so that you can have your own list of colony of buyers and raving fans. Number one thing you need to get your email list started is a clear value for your target audience. What is the value that you want to offer this audience? Are there business owners who need marketing strategies, or are there students who wants to pass their exam, or are there just people who love entertainment and just want to have good laugh? You need to have a value proposition. The number two thing you need to build your own email list is a lead magnet. A lead magnet is a packaged value that seeks to solve your client's problem at least by 50%. Now that you know your value proposition, you create your own lead magnet that you either give out to your audience for free or at a very discounted cost. Lead magnets can be ebooks, free online courses, or highly discounted online courses, free webinars, or free tutorials to get started. The third requirement is a landing page. A landing page is a one-page website that tells your audience the total value of your lead magnet in 2 to 5 lines, so that your client can feel compelled to get your lead magnet, because until they get your lead magnet, they have not gotten into your email list. Make your landing page very easy for your client to take your lead magnet. It should not be more than 2 fields to fill: their full name and email address. If you so much want it, let it be 3 maximum: name, email address, and their phone numbers. If you sell complicated products, maybe something like a real estate or a travel lead magnet, then you can ask as many as 20. But for effective results, I advise you use 2, maximum 3 fields. The number 4 thing you need for effective email list building is a customer relationship management software or system. There are many free and paid customer relationship management systems all over the internet, no matter which device you are using. One of the cheapest customer relationship management software is system.io. I personally use it, and of course it's very effective. Another one is Convertit. You can also use MailChimp, which is very popular among creators and big companies. Though very expensive, it serves a very good purpose. But system.io is an all-in-one software where you can do almost everything you want to do as a business or as a creator. Check below. I will leave a link to some valuable resources there, and I will possibly include System.io. Please note that this is an affiliate link and I may earn a commission if you make a purchase. The final thing you need to build an effective email list is your content. You should always be giving out content every now and then. I recommend you send message to your email list at least once in a week. If you are very busy, one thing you should not skip is the fact that you have to send message to your email list at least twice in a month. By doing so, you keep yourself in the mind of your subscribers and keep on giving them value. This will also increase their likeliness to buy from you whenever you send out any of your products or even affiliate link if you are an affiliate marketer. Send them your video content, your audio content, and more importantly, written content that they can consume in their own email immediately, instead of them clicking any link to go into another website to start consuming those tutorials or content. Make your content valuable. Write content when you are in the right state of mind to dish out valuable content. Don't just dish out content because you have to do something. Dish out content based on purpose and value, and this will skyrocket your sale and make sure that you will never go broke as an online business owner or a company. If this video have helped you, please subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you have any question about email list building, and I will answer you directly or in my next video. If you know anyone this message will be very useful to, please send it to them to help them get solution to their online marketing problems. By doing so, it will also help me spread this message further and faster and allow YouTube to recommend it to more people so that this channel can keep on growing. See you in my next video.